$700 billion. That is the staggering annual revenue generated by the global ready-to-drink non-alcoholic beverage sector. At the heart of this empire is Coca-Cola, a brand so iconic it is the world's most recognized name after the word OK. But have you ever wondered how that refreshing fizz is actually born? Behind every bottle lies a high-tech, top-secret industrial journey, from elite water purification to the precise injection of carbonation designed to deliver that legendary consistent taste to billions every single day. While the final product leaves the factory ready for the shelf, its true story began over a century ago. Back to 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia, the birthplace of what would become a global beverage empire. The creator, Dr. John Pemberton, was a pharmacist who originally brewed a medicinal drink known as French wine of coca. This concoction, a blend of wine, caffeine, and coca leaf extract, was sold as a cure-all for headaches and fatigue, famously aided by the inclusion of cocaine. Pemberton soon recognized a massive business opportunity. Instead of selling $1 bottles of bitter medicine, he could offer a refreshing 5-cent soda at pharmacy fountains. Tucked away in a back room, he began perfecting the recipe. To make it accessible to everyone, including children, he stripped out the alcohol and balanced the bitterness with a heavy dose of sugar. Though he kept the coca leaf extract, which was entirely legal at the time, sadly, Pemberton didn't live to see his syrup conquer the world. It was businessman Asa Candler who took the reins, pouring resources into aggressive advertising and revolutionary tactics like free drink coupons. This first taste loss strategy caused the brand to skyrocket, transforming it into America's premier soft drink by the early 1900s. The brand's status as a cultural icon was cemented during World War II when the company vowed to provide affordable Coke to American soldiers, even establishing mobile bottling plants on the front line. Today, with over 1 billion servings enjoyed daily, Coca-Cola claims to reach 99% of the global population. For all its complexity, the company's heart remains focused on one essential process.
This massive industrial complex managed to produce billions of bars annually while maintaining a flawless consistency that consumers in over 70 nations expect. The answer lies in a highly controlled, multi-stage manufacturing ecosystem.
But how does a tiny drop of this top-secret concentrate transform into 10 million servings of pure refreshing every single day? Welcome to Marietta, Georgia, the high-tech heartbeat of the Coca-Cola empire.
The bars exit the cooling tunnels. They enter the high-speed packaging sector. This area is a showcase of modern robotics. Nimble, spider robotic arms equipped with optical sensors identify the position of each bar and place them with lightning speed onto the wrapping line. The packaging itself is a feat of engineering, now increasingly made from 100% recyclable paper or advanced polymers to reduce environmental impact. Every single pack is scanned by X-ray and metal detection systems to ensure absolute consumer safety. Furthermore, quality control experts perform sensory audits every hour, tasting samples from the line to ensure the flavor profile remains perfect. Once cleared, the packs are funneled into automated boxing units, sealed and palletized by heavy-duty robots, ready for the global supply chain.
To guarantee that a Coke in Georgia delivers the exact same experience as one halfway across the world, the facility must conquer a formidable challenge: the water. Given that water makes up 90% of every bottle and its quality shifts from one region to another, absolute consistency is the gold standard. At the Marietta facility, the journey begins 800 feet below the surface, drawing from deep on-site well. But before this water can join the secret concentrate, it undergoes a radical reset process. Through intense disinfection and ultra-fine filtration, every mineral and hint of local flavor is stripped away. The result is a flawlessly neutral liquid, a blank canvas ready for the world's most famous recipe.
The journey of a Kit Kat bar, from a cocoa pod in Africa to a high-tech factory in York or beyond, is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. We hope this deep dive has given you a new perspective on the precision and care required to create this simple joy. If you were impressed by the scale and technology of this operation, please show your support by liking and sharing this video. What other global factories would you like Beyond Discovery to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join us on our next industrial adventure.
Now that every ingredient is staged, we witness the official birth of a beverage. The process kicks off as forklifts transport the protected syrup into the heart of the plant. Inside a massive 5,000-gallon vessel, the secret concentrate meets the sweetener, forming a potent base syrup where the sweetening agent makes up more than half the volume. Once a high-level security code is validated, purified water flows in, diluting the mixture 5 times over. Depending on the specific line, be it classic, zero, or diet, tailored sweeteners like aspartame are precisely integrated. This blend is then vigorously agitated before being channeled to the carbonation station. This is the critical moment. Under intense pressure, CO2 is driven into the liquid. Chosen for its remarkable solubility, carbon dioxide is forced in until the beverage has absorbed 3 times its own volume in gas, creating that signature refreshing bite. In a remarkable move towards sustainability, 30% of the carbon dioxide used in this facility is actually recycled, harvested directly from the surrounding air or industrial byproduct. Massive ventilation units mounted on the roof draw in vast quantities of air, filtering out and trapping the CO2. This advanced recovery system salvages approximately 1,900 tons of carbon annually. Before it can be reused, the captured gas undergoes a rigorous purification process, cleaned, dried, and compressed before being funneled back into the heart of the production line. Hygiene is the first priority. Bottles are flipped and blasted with purified water before racing to the filler. Here, the beverage is injected at a chilled 41 degrees Fahrenheit, a critical temperature that stabilizes carbonation and prevents foaming. At a blistering speed of 550 bottles per minute, the line seals each one instantly. After the iconic red labels are applied via high-precision heat sealing, the bottles pass through a warming unit to prevent condensation. Finally, an AI-powered eye scans every unit. Any bottle showing the slightest flaw is instantly rejected from the line. And just like that, the meticulous journey from a secret concentrate to a perfectly carbonated beverage is complete. From these high-tech lines, your favorite drink begins its true mission, bringing people together. Whether it's a quiet family dinner, a lively backyard barbecue, or a massive celebration, Coca-Cola is there, ready to deliver that signature, sparkling, refreshing bite. So the next time you hear that classic psha sound, remember the incredible story behind every single drop. Curious about how any other products are made? Drop the name of the process you want to see in the comments and I'll cover it in a future video.